Every person can help to make a positive impact on our world. We all have a job to do, tasks to finish. But here, it's about more than that. It's about being ambitious, about innovating. It's about collaborating, internally and externally, to achieve our goals. Every individual action we take, no matter how small, can have a domino effect that will make a positive impact for our future. And with enough of these individual actions, together, we can create a positive impact for people and the planet. That's why, at DS Smith,
It begins with me.
It begins with me.
It begins with me.
It begins with me.